Hyperion burn, tro, exceed dash plus exceed. Helios Volcano. O, zone dash plus zone. And finally, Lucifer the end. Co-drift. A battle royale. First place is up to 10 points. Go shoot! Hyperion, time for limit break burn. Lucifer, shatter Hyperion. Limit break, the end. It's time to break your limits, Helios. Limit break, Volcano. The final rankings. First place obviously is Helios Volcano. He has superior LED to both Hyperion Burn and Lucifer the End, and he even got a sick burst finish on Hyperion Burn in that final battle. In second place we got Lucifer the End, which was a massive thorn in Hyperion's side, being able to outlast it and constantly getting burst finishes thanks to its limit break, the end. It was really, really awesome to see it work in action. And in last place is Hyperion Burn. Its burst resistance just isn't up to snuff, and the only points it got was when it knocked out Helios in the first 2 rounds. Very disappointed to see what TT did with Hyperion Burn. So, it's just sad, since Super Hyperion was one of my favorite bays, and Hyperion Burn is just not the best upgrade. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this awesome Battle Royale. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all next time for more awesome Beyblade Burst battles.